Hello everyone, hope everyone's doing well. There's been so much media and news and excitement around Gamestop stock recently in investing that I feel like I want to just share some information with you. So here's Gamestop stock over the last month and here's when all of a sudden it went on Reddit. And you can see it going all the way up to a price of $347 from a price of when it was down here of about $43 all the way up to $347 at its peak. So here's when I usually get phone calls from people wanting to invest in GameStop and asking questions about it. Usually right around right here that's when it hits the news and everyone hears about it and gets really exciting, and then usually it's right around at the top, and that's when everyone wants to invest. And what happens is by the time that information hits the news, it's really too late. You would have had to get in and get the information down here. So if you're trying to invest by the time it's on the news and exciting on all these different websites that talk about get in on GameStop, is by that time it's usually too late. And usually you get to enjoy this ride coming down. So that's one way to invest, is hoping and wishing that you're going to get great stock information before something great happens, that you can get in on the action. And remember, a lot of this money that people are saving and investing is for their future, for their family security, so they can retire one day, or slow down working. Do you really want to bet and gamble your money that over the next 30 years that you're going to continuously be able to get in on stocks like this before it actually goes up? Like, even if you got in on this one, how many times is that going to happen again and again over the next 30 years without you picking losers as in stocks, right? So think about that. Is that the way you think you're going to build wealth, by continuing to be to guess what happens next? Where the other way you can invest is invest in 45 countries, basically everywhere that's black around the world, and in over 17,000 different companies. And when you're this well diversified, what happens, you already own all the stocks. You own 17,000 stocks. You own GameStop before it goes up, right? And then when it comes crashing down, you're diversified enough to have the downside protection. So you do have options. You don't have to sit in this world of gambling and trying to pick the best stock all the time. You can diversify across, again, 45 countries, everywhere that's a free market, all the companies that are available to invest in. Right? Because let's go back to GameStop for a second. Look what GameStop has done over the last year. Besides this month, that's what would have happened. All right, now let's look at the last 5 years. So you have to know, like right here, because look, if you just waited a little bit, it's all the way down here already. Do you really think you're going to be able to do that over and over again consistently for the next 30 years? If you want to learn more about investing, please feel free to reach out. We're offering complimentary strategy sessions to help you reach your financial goals. TrueView Financial. Thank you.